Hello Alaska, Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska, celebrating 50 years with the greatest hits tour of great Alaskan restaurants and recipes. Today we're at Club Paris with co-owner Stan Selman. Tell us more about Club Paris. What's the signature dish? What does everybody say? Oh, you gotta go to Club Paris and get this.
Well, we've always been known for steaks mainly. We do have a full line of seafood. Our signature steak is, of course, a filet mignon, and one of the things that people really enjoy us doing is stuffing that steak with blue cheese and broiling the steak with the cheese in it. And we have a disclaimer. We do not guarantee the quality of a steak ordered well done. Let's say it right now.
So for the home chefs, you got tips and tricks from the Club Paris kitchen?
Low and slow, man. The broiler is so seasoned. All right, let's move to the kitchen,
Let's do that after we get in the kitchen.
I'm starting out with a 14-ounce fillet that has been trimmed to a nice cylinder. We're going to stuff this steak with blue cheese, so I'd start with by making a little incision, and I create a little pocket inside the steak that I'm going to fill with blue cheese. We pack that in there. We tend to not cook these over medium because the cheese will melt out. Now I stitch it back together with 2 toothpicks. So now that steak is ready to go on the broiler. Get that nice and seasoned up. We start by cooking this on the end. This large filet will take at least 20 to 25 minutes to cook. So you can see I've got this flipped and we've got a nice marking on the top there. We'll mark the other side like that. The sides are not getting cooked, so we have to roll it on the sides to get it cooked properly. So first thing though we got to remember to do is to take the toothpicks out. There we have it, our signature 14-ounce filet stuffed with blue cheese served with a baked potato.
Featuring Alaska's most iconic recipes, pre-order the Greatest Hits Cookbook today.